operator of Zehner Family Farms. We provide produce organically grown to both locations, the West Lafayette and Kokomo locations of Sunspot. And today I'm going to give you a tour of my farm. This is our original high tunnel. We have peppers, all peppers growing in there, sweet peppers, spicy peppers. These are our jalapenos. They're super spicy. Gotta be careful with those. And then a lot of our sweet peppers do go to Sunspot. I'm trying to see if we have any that are ready yet, because maybe the people would recognize this guy over here. It's gonna be fully red, and they're super sweet. A lot of people think they're spicy because they're shaped, but they're actually a sweet pepper that's an Italian heirloom called Corna di Toro. And this one's a Carmen. That's the variety. Cabbage. These guys are, I already took them all out. So these are old cabbage. It's funny because once you harvest the head, these little ones grow, but it's because it's really trying to flower, you know? So these are done, but we do have some red cabbage that we're growing over here. So where we farm the produce, where we grow our produce, is about a 1/4 acre. But we are in the stewards of 5 acres of land here. And so we didn't want to leave the land without something growing on it, so we planted wildflowers on the border. And then we planted a forage for our chickens on the other acreage. It's also a mix that helps to, I don't know, I think it has nitrogen fixing plants in it, because maybe in the future we might want to grow. In the forage, yeah, we have like wild radish and clover and some different grasses. We kind of wanted to rebuild the soil. So, like for example, that field in the front, it has a bunch of ground nesting birds that live there, that come there, and we have like I gotta remember, bluebirds, I think that we never saw on the farm before. Oh, the lightning bugs here are amazing now, which the first year that we moved here, I hardly saw any. So I'm like, wow, this really is making a difference, you know?